Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I am very excited to share this with you. There is a question that I've received. Is having a real estate business a good business? A good question that needs a good answer. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Yours truly, I have also a small real estate business. I have a house and then there is a rent, monthly rental. Portion of my rental I help with to my friends that are in need. So personally, if you ask me, is a real estate business a good business? My answer is yes. But we have also other reason why real estate business can be good business for several reasons. Number one, high demand. Real estate is a fundamental asset class and there is always demand for properties, whether as residential, commercial, or industrial purposes. As we can see, there are so many businesses or organizations anywhere in the world. They need buildings for their business or house to be rent. So basically there is high demand. Okay. Number two, income potential. Real estate transactions can lead to substantial profits through property sales, rentals, and leasing agreements. Basically, yes, depending on the location and the cost of your rentals. For me, my rental is very affordable and cheap actually, but my main reason, I rather have a small or normal income, so that but having a customer or client to rent my property rather than high rental, high profit, but it's very hard to find somebody who will rent my property. So which is which? And then I want also to help my customer in their need of having a house to stay in. Okay, so that's my reason why it is very affordable. Number three, diverse opportunities. There are various niches within real estate, such as residential sales like houses or condominium being sold, property management, commercial leasing like in malls, stores, real estate development, and more, allowing for diversification and specialization. So there are diverse opportunities in real estate: hotels, mall, rentals, buildings, houses, residential, subdivisions, etc. Number four, long-term investment. Real estate often appreciates in value over time. Yes, it is very true. Land does not depreciate. It increases its value depending on the development within the area, providing opportunities for capital gains and wealth accumulation. That's why there are so many business person or company invest in real estate like SM, Donald Trump, hotels, casinos. It can help in gaining wealth along the way. Number five, flexibility. Real estate businesses can be structured in different ways, from sole proprietorships to partnerships or corporations, offering flexibility in management and operations. Number six, stability. Real estate markets can be relatively stable compared to other industries, with fluctuations influenced by economic conditions, but generally resilient over the long term. So again, one of the basic needs of everyone in this world is to having a house or a place to stay in, a business, a store, or a building that they can rent. So it is very stable, type of business. There are times that real estate market fluctuates, but it can rebound to that particular economic downtime, and then it can goes up again. However, like any business, success in real estate requires knowledge of the market. You have to gain experience along the way, mentors or study, understanding of legal and regulatory frameworks, financial acumen, networking skills, and the ability to manage risk. The profitability and viability of a real estate business also depend on factors such as locations. So if you have a very good locations, there are so many people go in that area, so expected that your real estate business is doing well, economic conditions and market trends. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report. Is having a real estate business a good business? In this case, yes, but there are certain risks that you have to face. It can be resolved along the way as you gain experience and knowledge in real estate business. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.